who will have the top chocolate chip cookie out here at Disney Springs. Gideon's Bakehouse or Summer House? We've got to try them both and let you know our thoughts. Who loves cookies? Do you love cookies?
I love cookies.
If you don't know this guy yet, this is Butch, the Crazy Pop, hanging with the Crazy Crew. Today we're gonna go on a cookie challenge. I wanna know from his taste buds, what is the better chocolate chip cookie? Gideon's Bakehouse or the cookie bar at Summer Lake?
And I've never tried either.
So let's get ready to go on this tasting adventure that rocks. For those not aware, Gideon's Bakehouse at Disney Springs is definitely an experience, and so are the cookies. Next up, the chocolate chip cookie here at Summer Lake House. And just look, when you talk about a cookie bar, they definitely know what they're talking about. Presentation. The chocolate chip cookie with sea salt here at Summer House and the chocolate chip cookie here at Gideon's. All right, we have Butch, remember, hanging with the Crazy Crew, the Crazy Pop, and he's gonna let us know his thoughts on which chocolate chip cookie he prefers better. Remember, both of these you can get out here at Disney Springs.
These are big cookies.
Yes, they are.
I think I'm gonna try the Summer House first.
Okay.
Well, let me just pick it up and bite it. Very good. Very good. Kind of a crunchy texture on the outside, the edges. Soft, gooey on the inside, like a chocolate chip cookie. Not overloaded with chocolate. Almost a classic chocolate chip cookie taste.
Right.
What you'd expect a chocolate chip cookie to taste like. Not very sweet, not overly sweet, but there is some sweetness there. It's really good. It really is. If you're looking for a classic chocolate chip cookie, that's it.
All right.
Right now.
Okay.
Let's see about this. The city is covered in chocolate chip. That is not a classic chocolate chip cookie. That is higher, more elevated chocolate. If you love chocolate, the Gideon's. If I had to choose between the two, it's a close race. But they're very different tastes.
Right.
One's classic, one's so much more. I'd have to go with the Gideon's, I'm not gonna lie. Because of the chocolateness of it, I guess you say.
Right.
In the word, I don't know. But it's good. Don't get me wrong. I wouldn't pass up this offer to me either. They're both amazing and excellent. But I do believe the Gideon's is on another level. So, yeah, I would take the Gideon's over the Summer House.
And you've heard it right from the Crazy Pop himself. All right, let me try the Summer House cookie first. You're right about that crispiness that you get on the outside, that doughiness in the center. Yeah, you're right. This is like the type of that you could make at your house, just on a much bigger scale. Kind of like the way my grandma used to do it. It just brings you back to those classic old-fashioned chocolate chip cookie tastes. Now for the Gideon's. That's cookie overload. I taste the sea salt more on this one. And this one does have sea salt also. This just seems to have a better burst of that sea salt that just adds to that deliciousness of this cookie. Yeah, I gotta say, I think I'd go with Gideon's too out here.
Well, there you have it.
A lot might depend on your time and how much time you have out here at Disney Springs. If you have the time to wait in line, because we waited about, I think, 30 to 40 minutes for this cookie. Here at Summer House, you can just walk right up to the cookie bar and just go ahead and get your cookie. Every time we've come here, there's maybe 2 people in line in front of us. So if you don't have time and you want that cookie fix, come to Summer House because you're gonna get it, and it's a great cookie. We hope you guys enjoyed our chocolate chip cookie taste test.
We did.
Out here at Disney Springs, we sure did. And if you're wondering where Sandy is, don't worry, I've got plenty of cookies for her that I'm bringing home. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet, what are you waiting for? Because you really never know where we're gonna end up next. And hanging with the crazy crew, we're gonna put a link to his channel in the description down below.
Down there.
Be sure to make each and every day, including those filled with some delicious cookies, an adventure that rocks. Looking for more fun photos and maybe little mini videos that we didn't include in this video you're watching now?
Be sure to check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook pages.
And we're gonna put those links also in the description down below.